Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to Becky Cooks. So, in today's video, we are going to be making granite paste. That's peanut butter. So, this is the procedure. You get your raw granules. You can buy from the market, from the store, wherever. I got mine from the market. And you just pick the dirt out of it because you can see some particles inside. I didn't have to wash and sun dry. I just went straight. I picked it. I removed the dirt I could see and the bad ones. Few bad ones though because the granite was good. So just get your dry pot, pour salt inside, and then you fry on medium heat and you keep stirring continuously. So to know that it's done, you'll be perceiving the scent of the granite everywhere. So you can also use your oven. You just pour it in your oven tray like that and put in your oven. So when you start perceiving the scent all over and it starts peeling off from the shell start peeling off, you know it's done. So at intervals, you also check the one in the oven. The one in the oven was the best method ever, and that's the method I'll continue with. It was so easy and fast. So it was faster than the one on in the pot, so you can use either of the two. So when it's done and it cools down a bit, then you can touch with your hands. You can now peel the shell off, the skin rather. Then you can now go ahead to peel off. What is roasted granola without me trying it out? Let me confirm it's done. So this is one hack I discovered because I always like to find a quicker option to any of my whatever I'm doing. So I just decided to use this mortar and pestle. If you even have the big one, it's even better. So just roll it around. Don't pound it, or just roll it around as you saw me do it, and then you just blow out the chaff and you are done. You have your clean granules. You don't need to be 100% clean, but if you have the spare time, you can do it 100%, but this is still fine. Then it's time to blend it in our almighty kitchen paddy. So you just add it up into your blender and then you blend at intervals. You off it and then you use your spoon to push it inside like this because you can't get it to blend just once. So whatever you're seeing in videos, the reality is different. So I'm showing you the reality now. You can't just do it by blending once and you see your paste. You have to pause, you shake it, you push it down, pause and continue like that at intervals. But once it peaks and it starts blending, then it's so seamless. So at this stage you can see that it's beginning to peak, and at this stage it has peaked and it's blending all smooth. So you let it blend. The more you let it blend, the more liquid it will be, like the more smoother and silkier it will be. So just get that done and then you have your granite paste. This is unsalted. I didn't add salt to this. I didn't add oil to aid it, just the granite. Pure undiluted unsalted granite paste. You can see how lush it looks. You can see how smooth the texture is. You can see that. This is so nice. So I just got my container. Let the container be free from any form of water. If not, the granite paste will go bad easily. You dry it properly, and whenever you are scooping it, make sure you are using a dried spoon. If not, it will go bad if it comes in contact with water. So put that in mind. Then you just store in your refrigerator. So this is what we have. At this stage, after blending, it's going to be very hot, so you won't cover it immediately. You let it cool before covering it. So this is our first groundnut. So this is all the groundnut I was able to roast and peel off and everything. But I'm going to use this. I'm going to use part of it to make kuli kuli, and that will be in my next video. So this one now I'm going to make is the spicy peanut butter. So I'm going to be adding a bit of dried pepper and salt, then uziza seeds, like, and this I don't know the name of that one. Those things they use for pesto spice. So that's what I added to it. If I remember the name, I'm going to put it in the description box. So you go ahead and blend this also, and you have your creamy, lush, spicy peanut butter. So this pairs well with garden egg, even with cucumber. So I'm going to be showing you a hack or a simple way to just make your own label at home in between these videos. So because I have to label it to differentiate the salted from unsalted, so just for preference. So this is what we have. So I just went ahead and printed on my paper with the font size I like and everything. So just have fun while doing it. Just twist things up the way you like, and then you trim it out neatly, just the way you see me do in this video. So just sit back and watch how I did this. So we are using the sticky pads to stick on the right up first, and gently lift it up, and you are going to paste it on your surface. So in this case, we are pasting it on our container. Carefully paste it to make it seamless and smooth. So preferably, sometimes you just have to make the paper very tiny, so the space you're working with will be less. So neatly cut that out, and that's it. You have your neatly well labeled item. So you can even do this with your other kitchen spices and whatever